What's going on, you guys? This is a real quick piece of information I want to give you all about doing dips. So when you do dips, you can either target the triceps or you can target the pecs. And to do that, you got to do them in a very specific way. So if you want to target your pecs, what you want to focus on is bending at the shoulder joint, right? So your elbow joint is staying stationary for the most part. You're bending at the shoulder joint. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Now, if you want to target the tricep, you're going to be hinging at the elbow joint. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So take that tip until next time you do dips. You want to target the chest, lean forward, bend at the shoulder joint. If you want to target the triceps, vertical torso, hinge at the elbow joint. Got it? Have a good one.